Hi everyone, this is Parul. Today's video is about short yoga practice that you can do just before your workout to release your tight muscles, prepare you for a workout and to avoid any injuries that might happen because of your tight body. So let's start. Okay, to start this practice, you can sit comfortably in cross-legged position. Take your arms up, breathe in, spine long, lengthen your spine. Interlace your fingers, stretch your arms up, breathe in and breathe out. Lean to your right. Yes, release the tension from your lower back, your spine, and breathe into the center. Breathe out to your left and breathe in back to the center. Breathe out to release. Now just take your fingers back, fingers pointing forward. Yes, and let your elbows be soft bend. Shoulder blades in, shoulders away from your ears. Take your head back, breathe in. And then you gently come back to the center. Take your arms up, breathe in. And breathe out to go forward. Stretch your arms forward. Lengthen your spine. Take your weight back towards your hips. Spine is long, shoulders relaxed. Keep breathing. So this is really good to release your hips, your lower back. Neck and shoulders relax. And breathe. Stay here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then you take your arms up, breathe in and breathe out. Gently twist to your right, left hand on the right knee, right hand back just behind your right hip. Draw your right shoulder back, continue to breathe. And come back to the center. Take your arms up, breathe in. Breathe out to your left. Right hand on the left knee, left hand back. Draw your left shoulder back. Continue to breathe. And come back to the center. Now let's go in Gomukhasana, cow face pose. Take your right leg over left leg, sit long. And take your right arm, bend your right arm, gently pressing your right elbow back with your left hand. Continue to breathe. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release your left hand and your right hand. Now, just lift your right leg up. Yes. And take your left arm. Hug your right leg in. And then you gently twist to your right. Drawing your right shoulder back. Breathe. Good release for your hips. And come back to the center. Now, extend your right leg, let your left leg be bent. Head to knee pose, take your arms up, breathe in. And breathe out, go forward. Reaching for your toes. It's okay if you are not touching your toes, that's perfectly fine. You can rest your hand wherever it reaches. Keep breathing. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take your arms up, breathe in. And breathe out, arms down. Now change it to the other side. So left leg over right leg now. Yes. And sit long. Take your left arm up, breathe in. Bend your left arm. Push your left elbow back with your right hand. Continue to breathe. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release your right hand and your left hand. Now take your right arm, hug your left leg in, breathe in. And breathe out to twist to your left, drawing your left shoulder back. Keep hugging your left leg in, keep breathing. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly back to the center. Now extend your left leg, bend your right leg, and then take your arms up, breathe in. And breathe out to go forward. Reaching for your toes, rest your hand wherever it reaches, stretching your hamstring. Keep breathing. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly take your arms up, breathe in. Breathe out to release. Okay, coming on all four. Knees under your hips, wrist under your shoulders. Make sure your fingers are wide open. When your wrist shoulder width apart and your knees hip width apart. Okay, so drop your belly down, lift your gaze up, breathe in, cat and cow. And breathe out, round your spine, looking towards your belly button. Continue, breathe in, lift your gaze up, drop your belly. And breathe out, round your spine, looking towards your belly button, chin to the chest. One more of this, breathe in, arc your back, chin away from your chest, drop your belly. And breathe out, round your spine, looking towards your belly button. Get your spine to neutral position. Take your right leg back and press into the top of your right foot, releasing your calves. Stay here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to the center and change. Left leg back, pressing into the top of your left foot. Release your left calf for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to the center. Okay, let's do pigeon. So get your right leg forward. Yeah, so that your right leg is either parallel to the mat. Maybe your right leg comes in. That's fine. Rest your hand in front of your right shin. Chest open, shoulders relaxed. Get your left leg in the center. Keep breathing. This is really good for releasing your hips. And you can be on your forearms or you can extend your arms also. Whatever works for you. Stay here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get your palms in. Press into your palm. And then from here, slowly we switch to left side to take your right leg in and left leg forward. Now extend your right leg. Left leg is bent. Your either left leg, like I mentioned, is parallel to the front of the mat or maybe it comes in. That's fine. Rest your hands in front of your shin. Continue to breathe. And then whenever you want, you can come on your forearms or extend your arms or stay on your palms, whatever works for you. Keep breathing for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And get your palms in. Now tuck your toes. Take your left leg back. Let's get into downward dog. So downward dog, you're pushing the torso towards your thighs, your feet are hip width apart, toes pointing forward. So downward dog is a great stretch for both upper and lower body. Staying here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk your feet towards your hands, coming in full forward fold. Really good for your hamstring. Let your shoulders be relaxed, let your head hang heavy. And don't worry too much about your hands not reaching the mat. It's fine. You can rest your hands even on your shin or your ankle, wherever it reaches comfortably. Breathe. Staying here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now slowly come halfway up. Breathe in. And breathe out to fold forward. 2 more times. Breathe in to come halfway up. And breathe out to fold forward. And breathe in to come halfway up. And breathe out to fall forward. Now from here, let's get into Balasana. So take your left foot to the edge of the mat, right foot to the edge of the mat. Turn your left foot slightly out and your right foot too. Lower down your hips. And then you sit in Balasana, garland pose. Get your arms in, pushing your knees out with your elbows. If this is not comfortable, you can even rest your hands gently on your mat. Okay? Do what's comfortable for you. Continue to breathe. Staying here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. Rest your hips back on the mat. Extend your legs. We do one last pose here, seated forward fold. So just take your arms and breathe in. And breathe out to go forward. Reaching for your toes, rest your hand wherever it lands comfortably. And breathe. Shoulders relax, neck relax. Excellent for your spine flexibility, for your hamstring. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then you slowly take your arms up, breathe in. And breathe out, arms down. So this is a short practice that you can do before your workout to open up your body, to release the tension from your body and prepare yourself for a good workout. You should feel the difference in your workout after you do this practice. Do let me know in the comment below how it goes. Also, check my post-workout cool-down yoga sequence. I will add the link in the comment as well as in the description. Do subscribe to my yoga channel. I am posting new videos every week, which you will find useful to build consistent practice to build yoga in your lifestyle. Thank you so much. See you again.